In this video, we listed the 5 best Delta 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. K280 Delta DIY 3D Printer. The He3D 3D printer is designed for versatility and efficiency, featuring a compact design with dimensions of 16.93 inch x 16.93 x 44.09 h, making it suitable for both personal and professional use. It boasts a generous printing area of 280 by 600 mm, enabling users to create large models without compromise. Equipped with a high-quality 24V power supply, the printer quickly heats the bed to 110 degrees, ensuring optimal performance for various materials, including ABS, PLA, wood, metal, TPU, PNA, and nylon. The K280 model is user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners while also meeting the needs of experienced users. Additionally, it features support for Z-probe auto-leveling, enhancing print accuracy and ease of use for all skill levels. Number 2. Silhouette Alta Plus 3D Printer. The Silhouette Alta Plus is a versatile 3D printer designed for both beginners and advanced users, offering an engaging way to create various 3D models using 1.75mm non-proprietary PLA filament. Measuring 4.88 by 4.88 by 5.12 inches and weighing 9.7 pounds, this Delta-style printer boasts a print volume of 124mm x 124mm x 130mm, making it suitable for projects ranging from custom cookie cutters to jewelry pieces. It is compatible with standard and specialty filaments and supports multiple file types including .stl, .obj, and .studio, ensuring flexibility in design options. The package includes essential components such as power and USB cables, a loose filament spool, a platform with applied tape, replacement tape sheets, and 2 hex keys for adjustments. Additionally, users receive the Silhouette 3D software, download access to 25 exclusive designs, and a 1-month subscription to the Silhouette Design Store, enhancing the overall creative experience. Number 3. Flsun Super Racer 3D Printer. The Flsun Super Racer 3D printer is designed for high-speed and high-quality printing, featuring a remarkable speed of 200 mm per second and capable of accelerating up to 2800 mm². With generous printing dimensions of 10.2 inches on each side and a height of 13 inches, 260 by 260 by 330 mm, it accommodates a variety of project sizes. The printer utilizes a removable coated lattice glass platform that enhances adhesion for the first layer and simplifies the demolding process, while its heating bed can reach temperatures of up to 100 degrees Celsius, making it compatible with multiple filament types, including PLA, PETG, wood, ABS, PC, and TPU. Additionally, the integrated auto-leveling system ensures prints remain consistent, even after power interruptions, and the 3-axis linkage technology bolsters printing precision, stability, and noise reduction. Buyers also benefit from lifetime technical support and 24-hour customer service for any inquiries or issues. Number 4. Flsun Q5 3D Printer. The FTV Ogre 3D printer is designed for high efficiency and user convenience, featuring advanced 3-axis linkage technology that increases printing speed by 130% compared to standard models. Measuring 11.4 inches in diameter and width, and standing 22 inches tall, it boasts a robust construction with a weight of 8,000 grams. The printer is equipped with a 2.4-inch full-color touchscreen for intuitive control and quick adjustments. Additionally, its power failure recovery feature ensures uninterrupted printing, while a 32-bit motherboard and TMC2208 stepper motor driver enhance stability and performance. The automatic bed leveling system further simplifies setup and enhances precision, making this printer an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users alike. Number 5. Flsun V400 3D Printer. The Flsun V400 3D printer is a high-performance machine designed for efficiency and versatility, featuring an impressive printing speed of up to 600 mm per second and an acceleration rate exceeding 20,000 mm², making it 4 times faster than many competitors. With a generous printing volume of 300 mm diameter and 410 mm height, 1.8 inch x 16, it offers approximately 28 liters of space for larger projects. The printer's upgraded brass nozzle can reach temperatures up to 300, accommodating a variety of materials including ABS, PETG, PA, PLA, TPU, and wood, which broadens the scope for creative applications. Additionally, it includes features like a heated, easy-to-level bed that minimizes warping issues and a dual-drive direct extruder optimized for speed, all powered by Clipper firmware for enhanced performance. The manufacturer also ensures customer support, promising responses within 12 hours for any inquiries or issues.